Roomtodo, hidden objects. There is a possibility in Roomtodo to hide objects that are on the stage. To do this, you need to click on the object you want to hide. This function will be available in the drop-down menu. After hiding an object, an icon will appear on the left, indicating that there are hidden objects. You can hide various objects on the scene, including furniture, decor, or walls. To cancel the hiding, you need to highlight the hidden objects. This can be done in the menu on the left. Click Show Hidden, and these objects will be highlighted. Then, click on the object to make it visible again. If there are no hidden objects, the icon on the left will disappear.